Calculating the percent of a quantity. Since percentages are special fractions, working with percentages is very similar to working with fractions. In calculating the percent of a quantity, we express the percent as a fraction and calculate the fraction of the quantity. For example, to calculate 25% of 56, we express 25% as 25 hundredths and then multiply by 56. This is 25 over 100 multiplied by 56, which will give us an answer of 14. Expressing one quantity as a percent of another. In comparing two quantities, it is always necessary to identify the base of the comparison. It is helpful to replace the word percent with fraction to identify the base of the comparison. For example, express 15 as a percent of 25. In this case, the base or whole is 25. Expressing 15 as a fraction of 25, our result is 15 over 25. Converting our result to a percent gives 15 over 25 multiplied by 100%, which is equal to 60%. Example 3. What percent of 80 is 120? In this case, the base or whole is 80. Expressing 120 as a fraction of 80, we obtain 120 over 80. Converting our result to a percent gives 120 over 80 multiplied by 100%. This is equal to 150%. Calculating the whole given a part expressed as a percent. If we know some percent of a quantity, we can calculate the whole from which it came by using basic proportions. For example, if 25% of a quantity is 28, what is the quantity? Solution. 25% of the quantity is equal to 28. Therefore, 1% of the quantity is equal to 28 over 25. 100% of the quantity, therefore, is equal to 28 over 25 multiplied by 100, which gives us 112. Another example. If 115% of a quantity is 90, what is the quantity? Solution. 115% is equal to 90. Therefore, 1% is equal to 90 over 115. And 100% is equal to 90 over 115 multiplied by 100 to give us 78.3. The quantity, therefore, is 78.3, correct to 1 decimal place.